Валентина Скультэ. Английский для детей. Часть 2. Урок 22.
The 22nd lesson. Christmas Eve. The night was bitter cold and still. The old people said they had not seen such a cold winter for 30 or 40 years. Trees, roofs, fences, roads, fields and forests were all covered with thick white snow. There were many stars in the dark sky. The big round moon shone with a bluish light. Long silvery moonbeams lay across the snow, making it sparkle like fine diamond dust. Christmas Eve was coming. All the children were asleep. Little birds were in their warm nests. Grey mice hid under the floor. Dogs slept, curled up in their kennels. Cats purred softly on the warm stoves. Only Jimmy the carrot could not sleep. He was lying in his cosy bed, thinking. He thought very hard, and from time to time peeped through his half-closed eyelids. How would Santa Claus get into the room? Jimmy thought. He looked at the door. It was shut and fastened. The windows were fastened too. Maybe Santa Claus would slide down the chimney. The carrot opened his blue eyes very wide and looked at the fireplace. His stocking was hanging there on the grating. What will Santa Claus put into my stocking? The boy said to himself. Perhaps a bag of sweets. Perhaps some nice tin soldiers. Or maybe a wooden horse. What a pity the stocking is so small. When I'm grown up, Jimmy thought, I'll have big stockings. Then Santa Claus will be able to put bigger things there. A little motor car, maybe. I would like very much to have a motor car. I would drive Polly to school. I'd drive Mammy to market. What if I put a brush by the fireplace? Will Santa Claus brush the soot off his white fur coat? I'm sure he will. And he'll put something very nice into my stocking for that. Of course Santa Claus will see the brush and say, Who put that brush by the fireplace? It must be Jimmy the carrot. It must be him, I am sure. Where is that boy now? I would like to speak to him. The silver moon looked through the window and saw the little boy. He was fast asleep, though his lips were moving, and he was smiling in his sleep.